dito banda, daluyan to ng hangin. Itong summer. Tapos may mataas na bahay, so mayroong parang shadow, yung hindi mainit dito. Diyan banda mainit. Pero dahil daanan ito ng hangin, masarap tumayo dito. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng upuan dito. Dati nung hindi siniminto ito, damo ito rito. Yung magandang lakaran, magandang upuan. Kaya nakakaupo ako rito dati. Yung mga itong oras. Summer. Okay. Kasi tingnan mo, langap mo yung sa hangin, yung dampi ng hangin sa katawan mo. Maganda yung magtayo-tayo rito. Diyan may bench. Kaya pwede ka rin umupo. So ako, si Helen at saka si Mamingkan nandito dito. Kasi nga day off ngayon ni Helen, Monday. Kaya ang dami niyang ginawa doon. Hindi kami dalawa nagkakaintindihan, kaya lang nung dami niya ginagawa. So kumbaga, I help as much as I could. Yung mga binubuhat niya, yung mga kahoy, nakita ko nasa taas ako eh. So takbo ako bababa. So tinulungan ko siya. Kasi hindi niya naman sinabi sa akin na may gagawin siya doon. Papakita ko mamaya pag ulan na sila doon. Dami naming nilipat ng mga bagay. Nilinis namin yung doon banda sa likod. Yan. So pero kahit na hindi kami nagkakaintindihan, at least yung mga sign language, kuwan talaga itong sign language eh, pang international. Iba man yung word ng kain, pero pag sinabi mo ng ganito, everybody understands it, di ba? Iba man yung lingwahe ng busog, pero pag ginanon mo na yung tiyan mo, alam na, nabusog ka. So, pang international yung sign language. Okay, alas 3 ng hapon, hinihintay ko lang si Sofia. Nasa Upaba pa siya. First day ng class niya ngayon, ng school. At makiusyoso tayo sa kanya kung kumusta yung first day niya sa school ngayong year 7. Ayan na si Sofia, nagka-uwi na galing sa kanyang school. Yeah, itong tuwa si Zesi, oh. Be careful. Mommy got a bit scratch from her this morning because she keeps jumping and yeah, so hot. So how's your first day at school?
First day at school was great.
Great. You met all your, do you have new classmates?
No new classmates, but like some people different.
What do you mean some people?
Like some people dyed their hair, some people
The boys? How about the girls?
new hairstyles,
Yeah.
like new haircuts.
How about you? You have a new hair?
I'm still the same.
Same? Okay, tell me inside what's new else. What else the
I didn't get the best.
good news and
You know,
bad news?
The bus was so full, so I came around like 55 at school.
Yeah.
Like 8:55. I almost didn't make it because the bus was so full.
Oh, so you just knock on the door?
Yeah, I mean, basically, and also, because I came last, so I didn't get to take the best seat.
Mm-hmm.
The best seat is at the back.
Okay.
But I got the front.
Right, okay, come on.
I'm so hot.
Yeah, okay. Move your back.
Oh. Yes.
Mom is coming. Come on. Ahoy!
Ну так беру две такого, а одна горячит сырокопину. Она вот.
Hello. Hello. It's me. I'm back from work.
Hannah is back from work.
I think that
And Sophia is back from school.
I got to greet Assisi. Oh. 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 No, so, ja, sie said job.
Mommy, Tata, can I go to the library tomorrow after school?
It's up
But
to
we can
you.
do it on on Wednesday because. Okay.
The girls will go with me.
Okay.
Tomorrow. But hey, and do you
Sisine.
Почекай. Okay, one by one, yeah? Slowly, because cannot serve everybody.
my legs hurt.
Як то?
Why?
Now, like here, I know my palm, like here.
Oh my goodness, why? What happened?
I don't know.
Because you're growing.
Oh, ito, binake ni Hana na, is it, what do you call this? Is cake or pastry or what?
Cake, it's like a cheesecake.
Yan?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake? Look at that. Yan. Is this cheesecake?
This
This is good for coffee, no?
Sisi nechce až pracuju, dívej, he?
Aj.
Sisi nechce, ať pracuju.
Se s ním hraješ.
Sophie, Sisi nechce, ať pracuju. Sisi doesn't want me to work. Look at her. She took my working clothes. Ty. Tak Sophie, ty si s ní hrej. Ale ne s mojíma. Nikdy nejsou Pust.
More job for Japheth boy.
Karating lang ni Hana sa trabaho. Kanina, nilinis namin to ni Helen. Ito.
So, with me, always work coming, right?
Huh?
With me, always more work coming.
Non-stop working
For Doña,
Non-stop working with Hana.
for no stop working for Doña Hana. Never stop.
Never stop working.
Hana always demanding.
Okay. Where do you want me to put?
I need to ask about the advice, family advice, where to put it. Okay,
Over there.
over there. Hold on. Yeah, we're building a mountain here.
So why you have so many stones? I believe these stones is like decades over there.
That's that's the spare from the house, just in case that.
So more than decades, maybe 2-3 decades.
I don't know. That's when we were building, when my dad was building. So it's like a leftover, and I was hoping that you're gonna build a fire pit for me.
With this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So can you build a fire pit for me?
Yeah.
Or fireplace?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So are we done? No more job? Okay. Tataka kayo, ito talaga yung pambahay namin na pang work clothes. So pagkatapos ng aming trabaho, nagpapalit kami sa loob ng bahay. Hinahang namin to sa pagtrabaho na naman, piyesa naman ng ganito. Yan. How's work?
Very busy.
Busy? Busy at work. So, we have announcement. Can we announce
Yeah. What is
that you changed job?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Hana is resigning from her current job and take another new job. So,
To be continued.
to be continued. So that's it only.
The
When are you gonna start there?
secret will be revealed soon.
When are you gonna start in your new company?
8th of September.
So 7 days more, yeah?
7 days. Yeah, I'm counting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, the reason, so next vlog. Okay? So, only in advance. Okay?
It's only for our viewers who's watching every episode. How you gonna say it?
Followers?
It's all for our viewers.
Subscribers?
No, like you watch every day. What you
Series?
everyday viewers, not only for the one-click viewers.
Okay, so yeah.
Because our everyday viewers knows what is going on in our life.
Yeah, alright, okay. So that's it, yeah. So the reason why Hana changed job is next time. So we will tell you why. Okay? Ito. So ito, kami ni Helen bumira nito kanina. Tinanggal namin yan doon, sa loob doon. Nakatambak to ito, tagal na yun doon. So yun, tinanggal na namin to, yung mga yun pa. Oh. Yan, doon kanina sa loob. So pagdating na naman ni Hana, ngayon ito, bumira na naman si Hana. So labas na naman ako. Basta sabi ko, basta mga ganitong gawain, kayang-kaya ko to. Hindi lang kami nagkakaintindihan kanina kasi kung saan ilalagay. Basta sabi ko kay Helen. So kung saan niya nilalagay, sinusundan ko. Yan. Okay. So yan, umulan kahapon. Medyo nakabawi yung ating kamatis, oh. Ang ating garden naka-recover. Marami nang pipitasin to bukas. Okay. Time to take shower. At na-confirm ni Madam Hana na yun na yung last ng trabaho ngayong araw. So bukas na naman kung ano ang dapat na trabahoin. Okay? So, tsaka sarap magkape. Ang oras is alas 5:15 ng hapon. Shower tayo at magkape. Coffee time. Nakapag-shower na tayo. So, kape. Kape lang, kape. Relax. Pakape-kape. Kung gusto mo rin mag-beer, may beer din sila. Yan. Huh? Yun. Beer. Yun. Kuzel. Pero hindi ako mag-beer. Magkakape lang ako. Si Milan kasi mahilig sa beer. Pag makapagtrabaho yan si Milan, tapos pinagpawisan yan. Lalo na may araw. Pag umupo na yan, sa pergola, beer yan. Parang tubig lang sa kanila yung beer. Parang ordinary lang ang beer dito sa Czech Republic. Kasi yung production ng beer talagang dami. Yung mga maliliit na mga yung mga restaurant, may sarili silang brewery. Paggawaan talaga ng beer. Yun. Tsaka murang-mura yung beer. May beer dito na murang-mura. Parang 20 sa Pilipinas, parang 25 pesos lang ang isa. So, mura yun, di ba? Magkano ba ang beer sa Pilipinas? Anyway, so yan. At araw ng Lunes sa Sofia, year 7 na dito sa Czech Republic. At si Hana, yan nga, lilipat ng kumpanya. Ang rason, so next vlog, siya mismo mag-explain kung ano yung rason. So yun lang muna ang ibabalita namin sa inyo. So hayaan natin si Hana ang mag-explain bakit siya lumipat ng kumpanya.